How to save battery on iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you are here, scroll down from the options available and tap on General as shown. On this page, scroll down to find and select Background App Refresh. Here, choose the off option to stop apps from refreshing content in the background. Now, go back to the main settings page and then tap on Accessibility. In the Vision section, tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and turn off the Auto Brightness option. Another method is to go to your home screen and long press on an empty area. Tap on Edit at the top left corner as shown. Then, tap on Customize. From the available options, select Dark. The app icons will immediately have a darker background. Following these steps, you can very easily save battery on an iPhone.